Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle features a 2.5 litre petrol hybrid engine producing 232 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth automatic transmission. This example comes in the striking Moondust Silver metallic paint colour and boasts some Ford LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, as well as a set of front parking sensors. Across the front we'll also find a handsome front grille. Moving around the side and down below we'll find a set of 17-inch twin-spoke alloy wheels finished in a carbonised grey colour. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find privacy glass lining the rear tailgate window, which also has a heated function. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, the Tourneo features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space, which can be increased by moving the rearmost seats forward. This Tourneo features a total of 9 seats, 3 seats right at the back with 3 individual seats in the middle. All the seats are finished in a comfortable leatherette upholstery, providing comfort on even the longest of journeys. The rear seats can be folded flat or removed entirely if required, and up in the driver's cab area we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some underseat storage. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This includes inbuilt navigation, as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel paired with a Ford digital cockpit system. I will conclude this 360 walk around of this used Ford Tourneo Custom. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.